Hi, hope you're all doing well and enjoying this glorious sunshine we're having at the moment. Hope you've remembered to put on that sun cream. As you can see, the winter coat has gone and the summer shirt is on. I've come out to a local nature reserve called Bullcliffe Colliery. I've come here mainly for the insects. It's a reserve I used quite a lot last year during lockdown. And it's always been good for dingy skipper, and that's why I'm here. So I'm going to go off now and try and find one. See you in a bit. I've managed to find some dingy skipper butterflies along this path behind me. I've also seen orange tip, brimstone and green veined white butterflies as well. So I'll post you some of them photos now, and I'll go around now and see what else there is. Catch you in a bit. Well, that's the time at Bullcliffe finished. Time to go home. Been a few moth species here as well today. Other Shipton's moth and a few carpet moths. Other insects have been the thick-thighed flower beetle, a hairy shield bug, birds, mainly willow warbler, chiff-chaff, black cap garden warblers. So, as I draw to a close, I'll put some photos up at the end, and I'll see you again another day. Keep safe. Bye for now.